Petra, meaning rock in Greek, is in southern Jordan. Nestled in a valley surrounded by mountains, this ancient city is a marvel of historical significance. Petra's architectural style is primarily Nabataean rock-cut architecture. It blends Nabataean artistry with Greek influences. This fusion creates a visually stunning landscape. Most of Petra was built during the height of the Nabataean kingdom, around the 1st century BC to the 2nd century AD. The city thrived due to their control of the incense and spice trade routes. Petra served as the capital and a major trading hub due to its strategic location. It is also a city of tombs and temples, with many structures serving as burial sites. Petra is celebrated for its advanced engineering, water systems, and rock-cut architecture. After the Roman annexation, Petra's significance waned until its rediscovery in 1812. Petra is carved directly into the rose-red sandstone cliffs, giving it its famous reddish-pink hue. The city is renowned for its intricate rock-cut facades, monumental tombs, temples, and an advanced water management system. Notable features include al-khazneh, also known as the Treasury, the most famous structure, carved with precision into a 40-meter-high cliff. It was likely built as a royal tomb in the 1st century AD. The Sikh is a narrow, winding gorge that serves as the main entrance to Petra. The Monastery, or ad-Dea, is another monumental tomb, similar in style to the Treasury but even larger. Petra represents the ingenuity of the Nabataean civilization, their mastery of water management, and their role in the region's trade network. It symbolizes the blending of cultural influences. The intricate carvings on the rock facades and stunning rock-cut architecture, particularly the Treasury and Monastery and its rose-colored stone, earning it the nickname, the Rose City. Petra is Jordan's most popular tourist destination, drawing millions of visitors annually. The main entrance is through the Sikh Gorge. Highlights include the Treasury, Monastery, and royal tombs. Preservation efforts are ongoing due to Petra's vulnerability to erosion and flash floods. UNESCO and Jordanian authorities work to protect the site. Tourism and natural erosion threaten Petra's rock-cut structures. Sustainable tourism is crucial for Petra's future. Petra was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985 and is also one of the new 7 Wonders of the World. Petra was featured in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade in 1989, where the Treasury is depicted as the resting place of the Holy Grail. The Nabataeans created an ingenious water system, including dams, cisterns, and channels, which allowed them to thrive in the desert environment. Petra stands as a testament to the Nabataean civilization and remains one of the most awe-inspiring ancient cities in the world.